Welcome back to episode number 28. We are entering the flat. Debris, few more debris have been piled up. This area looks very clean because the plastering of the washing machine area is being completed. Even the beam, what you see here, the edge of the beam plastering, the face of the beam plastering has been done. Extensive plumbing was done on 25th August. This is again the plastering of this area which was pending. We finished that. This area is proposed to be the kitchen sink area. I'm highlighting the washing machine area once again. Now moving to the living and dining. What you had seen yesterday was we are removing the loose plaster. So now today what you see here is the entire loose plaster has been removed. The slab has been cleaned, and now this is thoroughly due for the slab ceiling plaster. This window patchwork plastering, also finishing work which was pending, has been completed. The edges also, you are seeing the fresh plaster over there. Window second layer of protection, in spite of having the green cloth, you even see there are few gunny bags kept there to prevent spilling of the plaster material outside. Bathroom chemical waterproofing was done. The inner plumbing conduiting which was completed, you can see some sort of plastering over there. This entire plaster has been completed. Curing is going on. In this bedroom, which is the kids bedroom, no major work as such. It is only the plaster which we have completed. The curing of the plaster is going on. Some loose plaster which was there sometimes, on some walls, if we see come across, then we even have a habit of removing that. In the master bedroom, again the plaster curing is going on. Ceiling plaster completely clean. Now entering the master bedroom's master bathroom. What I was mentioning you here, you can see the plastering on the pipes. So the testing is going on, hence there are few patches where the plaster is still yet to be done. Unless we are very much sure with the testing, we don't completely seal it with the plaster. So guys, thank you so much. I hope you're enjoying all my videos. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.